I made over $7,000 trading USD JPY, and in this video I'm going to be showing you exactly how I spot the trade and also teach you how to catch high probability setups and also manage trades as well.
Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Preciousidah. In case you are just seeing me for the first time, hello, you're welcome to this channel. This is a trading channel and I am just so excited to make this video today. Today is a new week. Today is Monday and happy new week, traders. I am wishing everybody a profitable trading week as well. So you guys, I am very excited for this video because first of all, I'm going to be giving you guys updates on the 6 trader I analyzed. I made a comprehensive video analyzing the 6 trades and explaining in detail down to multiple time frame analysis and market structure. Please watch the video. I'm going to be leaving the link in the description box, and also I'm going to be leaving the link above here or here. I don't know, boys. I'm going to be leaving the link somewhere here. It's going to be so beneficial to you watching this video, especially if you are still struggling to become profitable or you are just starting up trading as a beginner. And talking about beginners, I have a playlist dedicated for beginners. It's a step-by-step videos that I made them. I've gotten a lot of testimonies from the videos and people are really benefiting from the videos. They are free videos. Please watch the videos and it's going to help your trading journey. And that is all I want, you guys. If you are just starting up trading, and trading is just the only source of income you have, or the other income you have is not sustainable, and you just want to quit your job to just focus on trading, but you don't have access to good capital yet to trade with big capital. Trading requires capital. I have 2 tips for you that I want to share with you at the end of this video. So please watch this video to the end so you don't miss out. And today is Monday, guys. That is why I'm excited. I got to hear some traders saying that Mondays are not profitable because a few Mondays are for resetting, and trading on Monday is not fun because they don't make money. So you and I are going to analyze the charts and we are going to see if they are right or wrong. And also my update on my trade. So I took this trade from the higher time frame and that is why I'm swinging them. You can see my USD JPY profits above on the screen. You can see running in good profits. I have made like 1:7 risks to reward from this USD JPY trade because I'm swinging it. I want it to get to my daily bearish order block so I can sell from there, and then I'll take my profit from there as well. So you can see it's very important to be patient with your setup, and it's very, very important to just wait for your setup to play out and not to chase trade, right? So you guys are going to be spending my day with me today. I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I am spending the first day of the week. This is Monday and you want to analyze and you want to make sure you have a trade to trade for the whole week, right? So for my Forex traders, you guys are so lucky. I'm going to be analyzing Forex pairs more. So you guys are lucky because at the end of the day, we are going to be getting free signals to trade for this week. So stay tuned. And let's go into the chart and see what we can achieve today before today runs out. Okay guys, so let's start with USD JPY. So you guys can see how this is running in massive profit. This is my TP1 here. So this is take profit here, my final take profit here. This is on a daily time frame bearish order block. I have my order block here. You can see I have a break of structure downward here. I'm expecting price to move upward here, hit my take profit here and mitigate my entry level here. So that is the plan. And let's go to 4 hours so you guys can see like it's very close now. When price mitigates our order block here, now we are expecting a sell.
because we are selling high and then we are buying low. You see, buying low from here, sell high here. So that is how it works. This is a potential entry level. Should be in case price pull back from here, we know that we target price and then we will enter from here. So this is how this is running. Let's even see the pips this has covered so far. This has covered, look at the pips this has covered so far, and also the profit I've made so far from this trade. So I'm leaving it on the screen. You can see how it's running. It's a massive profit. So this is another advantage of swing trading. If you are not a swing trader, it will be difficult for you to find an entry here. I'm swinging this trade, I am not worried about re-entry. You know, I'm just expecting price to hit my take profit here and then mitigate my order block here, you know. So this is a free signal on USD JPY. So just watch out for this level. This is a potential supply level. Let's go to 1 hour. So I do my analysis from weekly, sometimes daily, sometimes mark out my structure in 4 hours, and then I always find an entry in 1 hour, except if I'm re-entering a trade, then I go to a lower time frame, more like 15 minutes and 5 minutes. This is my order block here, my bearish order block here. So when price gets here now, I am selling. So for you guys, this is a perfect opportunity for you to sell. So when price gets here, maybe this week or next week, you just know that you are expecting price to get here, then you sell. So this is a free signal. Now let's go to GBP USD. So GBP USD, we are expecting a sell, right? So I took my profit from here, and since then I'm looking to re-enter, right? So I was expecting price to come up here so I could sell, but price did not mitigate my order block here. Price came downward and created a break of structure here. Price created a break of structure here. So I'm expecting price now to move upward here and mitigate my order block here so I can sell. I'm expecting price to come here to mitigate this order block here and then move. So if I'm joining this trade from here now, I'm going to be targeting here as my take profit. So this is another really cool free signal I'm giving you guys. I'm going to be targeting here now as my take profit. So when price gets here, hit my take profit, I'll have a buy from here because this is an external time frame on support level, demand level here. Let's go to the daily time frame so you can see. I don't really want to waste time here because I've already gone into detail explaining this setup for you guys in my last video, so I'll be leaving it in the description box below as well so you can watch. So here you can see this is my external support level here, so I'm expecting price to move downward here, mitigate my external support level here, and then I can buy from here as well. The same thing with Euro USD as well. You could see my external support level here. Just watch out for this level. You can get a possible buy from here. I am expecting a buy from here, so I'm expecting price to come here and mitigate my demand level here. You can see I have a break of structure upward here. I have a demand level here. You can see how important it is to mark out your structure, and then you just patiently wait for price to get in, and then you can trade from there. This is my demand level here, so I'm waiting for price to come down here, mitigate my demand level here, and then I can buy from here since I'm not in this sell. Hope you guys understand the free signals that I've given on USD JPY, Euro USD, GBP USD, and also BTC USD.
I promise to share some tips with you guys, especially if you don't have access to big capital to trade. If you're trading with your $100 account, we know the challenge, and we also know it's good because you are trading with what you have, but it's not sustainable that way. You need a good capital. The more capital you have, the more money you make in trading. And I always advise my students to get funded. That is very, very important. That is one of the easiest way, to make money in trading. You get funded, get yourself a Profem account. Profem account gives you access to good capital. big capital. You have access to huge capital to trade with, and now it gives you the opportunity to also generate your own capital by trading with this big capital. So when you trade with this big capital, you make profit with this capital. Now you can generate your own capital. And the second thing I will encourage you to do is to get investors. Get investors to invest in your business. Your business is your trading. Treat your trading as a business, and that is why I am always encouraging you guys to journal your trade. When you journal your trade, you have something to show. You screenshot your trades, you journal your trade for months, weeks. So when you are reaching out to these investors, you have something to show them. You have proof of your results. It's not everybody that will want to invest in you without seeing results. They want to see if they can trust you with their resources. So they want to see what you have been doing so that they can know if they can invest in your business. Because at the end of the day, trading is your business. Trading is a business. And if you are treating trading as a business, you journal your trades for months, you journal your trade for weeks, you journal your trade daily, When you're sending your proposals to these investors now that you want them to invest in your trading business, now you can also send your trading journals as well, and they can see it and confidently invest in you. And that way you can generate your own capital. So it's very key. It's very important to, to think above your $100 capital so you can make good profits. So thank you for watching this video to the end. Do not forget to like, do not forget to subscribe to my channel, do not forget to leave your comments in the comment section. If you have questions, please ask me questions in the comment section so that others can learn as well. I know I love to reply you in the DM and the rest, but I want others to learn as well in the comment section. So leave all your questions in the comment section and I'll respond to all your questions. So thank you for watching this video to the end, and also analyze the charts and make use of the phrase signals as well. And I'm going to be seeing you in my next video. Stay profitable and stay happy. All right.